up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Right now, I'm taking y'all guys through Donovan. Try to film as much as I can. Man, I need to get me another phone, though. This making my video so shaky. Show you guys how to ride through here, man. It's a tough road. I can handle it. Right now, I say there ain't really a hard time. It ain't really it's not really that bad coming through here. When you have like big snowstorms and stuff like that, that's when it can be dangerous coming. Right now, it's okay. It's kind of fair. It's just cold. No snow on the ground or nothing like that. So I'm just doing the regular speed limit, 55 miles per hour, Cali speed limit. I hate that speed limit. They should at least do 60 or something. I think that speed limit is garbage. But I know they're supposed to be doing a chain check, like 20 miles from now. Make sure that all the truck drivers have chains on that truck. And a maximum of chains. I'm cool. I got chains on my trailer. I got I got enough chains that goes on the rack on the back of your truck. I got enough chains on that to cover all my steers and drives. So I'm good. I'm good. So hope you guys enjoy this lovely view. Take you on a ride along the trucking states. Right now, though, man, it ain't too bad. It ain't too bad. Some people get nervous coming. It's like a walk in the park for me. No matter if it's snowing or not. It's all about how you. It's all about driving safe and driving slow in this road conditions. And the best thing you could do if it's too bad is pull off the road. That's the best thing you can do is pull off the road. It's March 25th today. So spring is officially here, but the weather is the winter is just being stubborn and don't want to go away. So still got a little bit of winter in the air. A little winter season going on right now. But it's still looking nice out here, though. Still looking nice out here. Now, from what I was told at orientation about what Donna Pass, the history of Donna Pass, is pretty much there was a group of travelers, and they all took this path right here on I-80. And, they had like stage coaches and stuff like that. Their horses died off because they got caught in a terrible blizzard. During the winter season, they was traveling. I think on their path up to Oregon, if I'm not mistaken. On the Oregon Trail, I don't know. But anyway, they was pretty much snowed in, and it wasn't no cars or anything like that. So if you was traveling, you pretty much was outside. It wasn't no nice vehicle to keep you heated up and turn on your heat. They was pretty much had to start fires and sit under the fire to stay warm. That's when it was real. Traffic alert 2 to 16 1-0. I don't know what that's about. Hope it ain't some garbage. But I ain't got that long to drive through this area. Going through the Vale ain't, not the Vale, damn, this is not the Vale, it's Darwin Pass. But anyway, they pretty much got stuck. And a lot of people died along the way. They were running out of food and stuff like that. And their horses died and stuff like that. So in order to survive, they pretty much ate the ones who died. From what I'm understanding, that was the only way they could survive. And a few of them actually lived, but a lot of them didn't make it as well. You know, maybe they wasn't familiar with the weather, with snowstorms and stuff in this area like that. I don't know. But I'm just taking it slow, taking it easy right now. I'm just going through the. It's not really all that hard coming through here, though. It's really not. A lot of people hear the horror stories of the Darwin Pass. You know, they get nervous coming through here. Like I remember when. If you go to in Swift orientation, I don't know if they still do this, but they always show that video of that crash that happened on Darwin Pass, with the truck driver, was coming around the curve too fast, and the truck actually turned on this side, and it actually went off the cliff, and it killed both of the drivers. One driver was a mentor, the other one was a student. The driver that was driving was the student, and supposedly the mentor was asleep, and it veered off the highway. And that was a horrible video to just sit back and watch. But that just gotta be careful coming through here. Right now it's like 26 degrees. The ground looking kind of whitish. I'm not sure if that's like dried up snow or that's just the salt that's making the snow bad. They're making the ground look bad. I'm not sure, so I ain't really taking the chance of speeding right now. I'm going about 50 miles per hour right now. Cause I don't know, one side look white and the other side look like it's look like the regular color of the ground. So that means that this pretty much is ice. It's a little bit of ice on the ground right now. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera, but it really is. So I'm taking it smooth, taking it easy. I'm in like 9th gear right now. This is one thing I like about having a manual. See, now the ice is right back on. Now it's getting a little bit whitish on the other side. This is one thing I like about having a manual, pretty much. I have full control of the vehicle. I can tell the vehicle what I want to do as far as with the stick shift rule, you know? Because when I had the automatic or whatever, I was still a rookie at the time anyway. When I had the automatic, man, when I first came through it, man, I had a hard time. Because I didn't know how to properly operate the automatic at that time anyway. So it's not the fact that I had an automatic reason why I scrubbed it. I don't want to say that. I just didn't know how to fully operate it like that. I didn't know I should have been throwing it in manual mode. I was just driving the automatic mode. And with that, if you're not paying attention, your foot get lazy on the gas pedal, and you can make a mistake and overspeed. And that can cause you to spin out. Now, I almost got into like 2 rollovers before within my time driving. And by the grace of God, somehow I was able to stop the vehicle from doing that. Because this year I was in a situation where I lost traction. When I was trying to come to a complete stop, and I lost traction. I knew how to handle it much better third time. All I did was just keep my foot off the brake. But you know, traffic had came to a sudden stop because they were shutting the highway down. And I had to slow down, and then this dumbass truck in front of me decided he wanted to stop all of a sudden, just stop fast as hell in front of me. So when I hit my brakes or whatever to avoid hitting them, it caused me to slide a little bit. So I handle it well. And plus, you know, I maintain a safe following distance as well. That gives you enough time to react. They give you enough time to switch lanes if another lane is available. And that's what I did. I just switched lanes. Because if I didn't, I probably would have slid in the back of him. Probably would have bumped his truck or something. And that would have been a hard case to prove that it was his fault. You know, even with that camera, they probably would have, if I wasn't driving in as safe as I was, I don't know. I just didn't feel like going to no court. I'm just glad I don't have to go. See, now it looks like it's melting. But it still feels a little bit slippery, you know. I can feel it in the steering wheel. And then it's about 25 degrees. Yeah, it's a little bit, it's real slick. And it's like frozen ice, frozen slush a little bit. So I'm gonna just take my time and do about 50 miles until I get out of this area or whatever, man. The good thing is the snow is not on the ground. The only bad part is this is a little bit slippery if you're not paying attention. Because you still have the residue of from the snow, and it leaves it leaves the ground moisturized, and it's cold. It's like 25 degrees even with the sun up. So it's still early morning. The sun just came up. So whatever, because it was raining last night as well. Stuff like that. It was raining last night, so you know that's another reason why it's a little bit icy. It might not appear to be icy, but it is though. You can feel it in the steering wheel. And if you tap your brakes just good enough to where you're revving up the engine, and that steering wheel starts to loosen up, yeah, that means that whatever. That means that it's a little bit icy wherever you're at. It's a little bit slick, so you might want to be careful. I don't know, maybe that's just me. I just know how the truck feel or whatever. I just know how the truck feel when it gets a little bit when you driving on like ice or snow and stuff like that. That's just how I get it, how I understand. I already know they're not gonna give me a bypass, and I'm gonna end up going through this. I'm gonna end up going through the way station. I'm gonna switch lanes because I'm in the slow lane right now. But it look like the ice trying to break off though. I'm glad that I took off early in the morning as well. And today is Sunday anyway, so that's another good day. Today is Sunday, so that's a blessing right there. Now ain't gonna be no traffic wherever I go. Well, I'll take that back. This is Cali, so man, there can be traffic anywhere. I know I gotta go through Sacramento. I'm gonna go through there, head south, and I'm gonna go down to the terminal today, chill out. What's that? CHP way station. I'm all rental truck. Yep, I gotta go through the scales, y'all.
I've been hustling hard for a while now. Getting money for a while now. These niggas hating for a while now. These hoes on me for a while now. Doing it down for a while now. Hustling hard for a while now. Getting money for a while now. These niggas hating, I'ma blow them down. Bitch, I make a check, I'ma break the bank. Bitch, I make a check, I'ma break the bank.